There's one. That's a bass. That's a bass. Gosh, be a bass, Ryan. I don't know. It might be a walleye or something stupid. Damn it.
It's a limit of Walters. You damn near have it today.
I think it's 3. Well, I definitely have it. Chris, the Midwest Bass Hunter here, fishing a tournament with Ryan right there. We're on Lake Francis Case. As you can see out there, well, maybe not, it's kind of hard to see in the sun, but it is windy. So we actually launched in this this little creek right here. Well, it's not little, it's big. It's probably a 500-acre creek, but we're not even trying to go out on the main lake. Not right now. It's gusting to 40, so we're gonna stay in here, see if we can find some fish. If the weather cools down a little bit, or the wind comes down a little bit, we might run out and try and fish the stuff we found yesterday, but we might just be stuck in here, so we're just going fishing. So hopefully we can find 5 good ones and compete for the win here today. That's the plan. There's one. Definitely a small jaw. He's a 12-incher. Good night, dude. Yes! First keeper. He ain't too bad, guys. He ain't too bad. He's fat. He's bleeding, unfortunately. Damn, I hooked him in the tongue. Yep. Well, that's where they bleed, when they get hooked in the tongue,
Way to go, Chris.
I bet he wants to go up this way, but I'm just gonna turn and go right back. There's one, right? Yep. I don't think he's that big. He's 12 though. Dang it. Quit it. We gotta get rid of this one. 12 and a quarter. Wee little guy. That's bleeding, man. There's one. He's tiny. He might be 8. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, crap. Got a smallie in the floor and a hat on the loose. That is a 10.
Perhaps even a 10.
It's like, hey, catch a big one. There it is, right? Yeah, we better. That spinnerbait is probably on its last leg. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Nice job. He ain't big. He was right up in them rocks, Ryan. He's a small one. Here we go, guys. 3rd keeper in the old live well. Going crazy. right, guys, this is what I'm catching them on. This little spinnerbait. I'm worried it's gonna break. Got a bunch of fish on it. Probably should actually see if I got another one, which I do. I think I do. Guarantee we'll catch one on this corner here. Got to. There's one. That's a good one. I mean, he's a keeper. He ain't big, he's small. But he's a... There we go. There we go. That is keeper number 4.
Whacking him.
He's a Dinkmeister.
Whacked.
Ryan's getting whacked. Means somebody in the mob is trying to kill him. The problem is, guys, these fish ain't the fish to win. Not even close. But we do have 4 of them. Yeah, there's rocks everywhere. If we can have some decent execution, I think we can float this and have number 5 in the box. Coming. That's a good one, Ryan. That's a damn good one. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Holy smokes, that's a damn good one. There's the freaking 5th keeper, dude. Holy smokes, that's a 3-pounder. High 2 anyways. Is he bleeding? Dude, that's a good one. That looks like the one I just lost. There you go, Ryan's got the 5th keeper. Look at him, that's a toad. Yes! Now we got a Cole, baby, Cole. Catch this fish. That's a good one, Ryan, a damn good one. I don't think he's as big as yours, but he's a good one.
There you go.
You saw that net. Yes.
Call time.
Yeah, you want to come up here and I'll call, or what do you want to do? That's a good one. That's at least a 2-pounder. What?
What do you want to do now? I'll maybe catch this one.
That's a toad. He ain't 2 pounds, but he's close. He's close. I don't know, should I put tags on him?
Well, we're going to catch more. So. But I mean, if you don't want to do it yet, that one, you know, you've got some in there, that one's easily going to be bigger. So.
There he is, there's the midget. Come here, little midget. There he is. Holy cow, he's small. I don't know. There might have been one smaller than him. Nope, that's him. 12 1/4. There we go. That's the first Cole, and Ryan's got another one.
I think it's a drum.
Oh, it's a catfish.
What in the literal hell?
Look how skinny he is.
Yeah.
Little channel cat. Don't freaking spine yourself. The old fence pattern, huh? caught one off that fence yesterday, remember? That was a good fish too. Starting to get warm. How can you not be burning up? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a good one. Yeah, I don't think he's that good. Yes.
Now you're gonna have to figure it out. Probably.
He ain't that big. Yeah. Well, whatever you want to do, bud. But I need the back deck. What tabs you want to do's? All right, buddy.
Big white power swimmer.
Just gonna weigh them all, I guess. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna put the net right here, Ryan, so you got it if you need it. He inhaled it, dude. Who knows? He might not even help us. But we're about to find out. Stop, buddy. He's a 110. God, he looks smaller than that. That's good. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, there we go, guys. Finally got the culling done. 1.6. He got a little tattoo on his forehead. There we go. There's so much water on my camera. But we have 1/2. That's it. We need some more than that. There it is. He's bigger. You just let me take care of him.
I don't think he's gonna be bigger, but
He's only got to be a 1.8 or 1.9. Jeez, Lewis.
what a feeling is that?
Good job, Brian.
I mean, I was getting ready to pull out the water.
110.
No way.
That's an upgrade. There we go. A 1.8. Back in the water. Jeez, look at all the boats in the freaking 4-foot radius here. Mind if I go between you and the bank? Good one. He'll call. What?
I think he's an upgrade.
He's a 2-pounder, dude. His gill's all messed up. You get hammered? There's one. He smashed it, dude. Can't tell if he's a good one or it's a walleye. It's a tiny walleye. Stupid walleyes. Oh, you didn't set it to the right number? Well, that ain't gonna work. Well, this second pass sure isn't yielding anything. Looks like a boat dealership parking lot out here. There's one. I think it's a walleye. No, it's a little bass. He hit it hard. But he is too small to help. Here we go, a little dinky brownie. And he hit it like a ton of bricks, man. Be a good place to throw a Ned rig or something. There's one. Oh, Ryan. Oh my gosh, dude, that's a toad. No.
Nice job.
He ain't that big, but frick. He'll call. Here, you want to go up front or you just want to hang? Dude, I thought he was 5 pounds.
Yeah, but he's 2 plus.
He's definitely one that we needed. Yes.
Get rid of our 111. Probably 2.5.
I bet he's more than that.
Climb down the old white window.
2.7. Dude, we might break 10 pounds.
Yeah, right.
I'm not gonna put a tag on him. All right, guys. There's our coal. Hopefully not our last coal. That's a nice fish right there.
Yep.
Here we go. Well, mostly spinnerbait and swim baits today. There's crushed. I don't know. Geez, my drag was backed way off. If it's a bass, it's a nice one.
It's a Walter.
Stupid walleye. Dude, he thumped it, man. Dumb walleye. What? There's one. That feels like a good one, Ryan. Yeah. Hope it's not a stupid walleye.
Fighting like a Walter.
I don't know, he ain't jumped yet. Yep, it's a freaking walleye. I mean, perfect eaters, man. He just throttled it, man. Throttled it. Get off of my line, Walter. Dang it. There's one. That's a bass. That's a bass. Gosh, be a bass, Ryan. I don't know. It might be a walleye or something stupid. Damn it.
It's a limit of Walters. You damn near have it today.
I think it's 3. Well, I definitely have it. Son of good gravy. Golly. That walleye was well hooked. All right, guys, that is going to do it for this tournament. It was a great day of fishing, but not a great day of tournament fishing. We caught a lot of fish, but we just couldn't find any size. We had 10.5 pounds, and the winner had 17. So we got stomped. We finished 9th out of, I think, 14, 15 boats. So not a terrible day, just couldn't find the big ones. You know, we found some bigger fish in practice. The places we found them, we couldn't really fish. And the cove where we kind of were stuck, I mean, there are boats everywhere. It's like a parking lot in there. So I'm not blaming that, but yeah, it definitely made it a little bit tougher. Now, on practice day, we might have had 12.5 pounds at the most. So we still wouldn't have contended for the win with those fish. But we've done a little bit better in the standings. But anyways, guys, awesome day of fishing. Just love getting out fishing tournaments, and can't wait for the next one. All right, guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell down there so you don't miss anything, and we'll see you next time.